you guys know it here. I don't have much time, so this video will have to be really quick. But today I have built a Lego blowback gun. I didn't put the magazine in. So yeah. So yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And not quite that big. I'd say it's about like 1 foot tall. No, 1 foot in width. I mean, no, 1 foot in length and 1 foot, 1 foot in length and like 8 inches in width. Into the middle again. Okay, so it's about 1 foot in length and about like 10 feet in width. So, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pull the trigger and then like the whole thing goes backwards. If you ever make this gun, then it will break really easily. So yeah, all it'll do is like go like the whole thing will just go bang, like the barrel will come off like really easily like that. So yeah. And then this piece might come out a little bit. All you do is you take it and you line it up, put it back together like that. Lock. Whoops. I got that one down there. Sorry. That has interrupted the video. So yeah. It's the Lego blowback gun. Pistol. So, yeah, I don't really know the real name. If you want to know the name, then go to the title of the video and you'll find that there. You'll find the name of the gun here. See how it's not like going back? You have to like lift it up a little bit and then it'll go back. Sorry about the talking if I'm on with my dad.
I don't know. I'm assuming they sell the roll that is the width of that cavity, and then you just cut it and stuff it. I'm assuming that's how it works. But I don't know.
Trigger breaks really easily, so all I do is just
Ellie,
back in this
are you done?
and it's
Hurry up.
ready for action. So. Yep.
say that the installation project would include evaluating the rest of the interior, because you could have a bunch of that installation that has to really, right? On the front side of the wall, especially this corner right here. Right when the